Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we now we will learn about CX program again. We in this session we will learn about instruction in CX program. What is the instruction, and let's go. Okay, for the first time we make a normally open contact and then instruction, and for this session we will learn about divided instruction. Just type symbol dividing in your keyboard. After that, this is value or data which one will be divided. After that, space, and this is dividing number. After that, in the last step, this is the result dividing instruction. Like that you can read it. This is the dividend word. After that, this is divisor word, and in the last, this is the result word. So if the CIO 0.0 on, this data in D0 would be divided by 2. After that, the result will be right in the D0, like that. And as on the what is that? And as on the my tutorial before, we use the reset data in D0 with move instruction. Just move value 0 to D0, like this. Okay, we can simulate this program. Just push together Ctrl Shift plus W in your keyboard, and the simulate will be start. After this line change to the green line, you can push by Ctrl plus G, and the result is 0 because this D0 have a value 0, like that. For example, we use the value 100. Oh, before that, if you want to change the value in this D0, you can change the rectangle to the D0. After that, just push the enter. After that, just type the value which do you want, like that. For the example, I use 100. If I force the contact 0 bit 0, this value is 0. Why? 100 divided by 2 is 0. This is not wrong instruction, but this contact is wrong because this is the not div up, and the instruction would be divided continuously, like that. How do we divide 100 by 2 just one time? We use the differentiate up or div up. After that, we can end the control edit, and this is value of D0 is 100. After that, this is the divisor word 2. If the CIO 0 is on, it will be 50 in D0, like that. And if the contact 0 bit 0 on again, it will be 25. After that, if the 0 bit 0 on again, it will be 12, because in this divide instruction, this is just a signed binary divide, so we cannot see the result 12.5. In here just 12 without 0.5, like that. If you want the 12.5, you must use a real data type, but I don't know yet. If you know about the real divide instruction, you can comment below. And the symbol divide just in this type PLC on other, depend on the type PLC. In another PLC you must use C200HG. You cannot use the symbol dividing, you must use the div instruction, like this. And you cannot use the div up instruction in the contact, but you can use 0 and div 0. We use 1000 and 1000 in here. But why this is PCD divided? This is just binary code, but it is decimal. You must change this data type and would be okay. And the function is timed with my explanation before. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean in this video, and I hope you be smart after watching my video. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.